बट स्ट्रगल की जहाँ तक बात करें, सो आपने इनिशियली कोई स्ट्रगल नहीं किया, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स दैट वाज अ स्ट्रगल टू
Yeah.
मेंटेन दैट स्टारडम, वो कैसे किया?
नो, मैंने ब्रेक लेने के लिए स्ट्रगल नहीं किया, बट मेरी जिंदगी में डिफरेंट फेजेस आई हैड अ फेयर शेयर ऑफ माय
या
स्ट्रगल्स. Number one, when I joined JAL, I joined a controversy I had nothing to do with.
एग्जैक्टली,
Uh, you know, it took me time कि मैं अपने आप को
मेंटली भी,
एज अ सिंगर लोगों के दिलों
हाँ,
में पहुंचाऊं. It took me time. That was that struggle. When eventually that happened, कि eventually सब कुछ सही हो रहा है, सब कुछ, and then after 10 years we disbanded.
या
And then after we disbanded, there was another struggle which was
to establish
unseen.
yourself as a solo singer.
No, that one thing, and there was this struggle that when I used to go for concerts or anything I wanted to do, there were a few people who would call and try to sabotage it. They would say to the organizer, "Don't do this." So मेरे concerts रुकवाने की कोशिश की गई. मेरे कोक स्टूडियो, कोई भी ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म, कोई record label, तो मेरी चीज़ें रुकवाने की कोशिश की गई. But to all the younger generation, I would just want to say that I think if you stay focused, if you stay determined, and you keep working hard for your goal, then eventually there's nothing in this world that can stop you from doing it.
So true.
So I had good fair share of my struggles. It was all along, but somehow, Alhamdulillah, I always came through
Yeah.
and it worked.